teacher Victoria. So today we are going to continue with our topic subtraction of fraction. So today we are going to do some activity regarding this topic. Okay, question number 1. 2 4 over 7 minus 1 2 over 7. So class, how to do this question? Before you solve this question, the first step that you have to do is you need to go and find whether the denominator for the questions is same or not. Now you see, these both fractions have the denominator 7. So we can solve this problem without any doubt because the denominator is already same. So to do the subtraction of fraction, we have to make sure that the denominator for the question must be same. If the denominator is not same, we cannot minus. So remember that. This is the key point that you have to remember always. So now you see the whole number here 2. So the whole number here 2 can minus the whole number here 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So how about the 4 here? 4 and the 2 here. These both numbers are numerators. So numerators we can minus. 4 minus 2 is 2. And then the denominator is always we are going to copy down the denominator. Make sure you copy down the denominator. You don't go and minus the denominator. If you do so, then your answer will be wrong. So the final answer for the question 1 is 1 2 over 7. Okay. So now we are going to do the question 2. When you see this question 2, 3 minus 2, 7 over 9. Okay, when you see this 3 is a whole number. Normally, whole number we cannot minus with a mixed number. So what we have to do? We have to change whole number to mixed number. So how to do that? Yeah, you see class, we are going to borrow 1 from this 3. So the balance here is 2. Okay, how about the one that we borrow from this 3? Yeah, it will be remain there, but it will remain as an improper fraction. So how to create that improper fractions? We going to see the next fraction. What number that we are going to minus with this whole number? You're going to see the number here 2 7 over 9. When you see 2 7 over 9, the denominator here is 9. So we are going to change the 1 here to 9 over 9. Because we borrow 1 from here and then the balance 2 is already here. So the one that we borrow from this 3, we going to change it as a fraction is 9 over 9. So there is no number with this 3. So we just copy down the 9 over 9. Why we choose 9? Because the next number, the next fraction is having the denominator as 9. So we must know that if the denominator is same, then only we can minus. If the denominator is different, we need to make it same. So for in this case, we already have one denominator there. So we just straight away use that number as a denominator for the whole number here. So now we can do this question 2 9 over 9 minus 2 7 over 9. So when we do this, 2 minus 2 is 0. And then 9 minus 7 is 2 over 9. So in this case, we just straight away can write our answer. We no need to write the 0 here. We can write the answer 2 over 9. So this is the answer for the question number 2. Okay, let's look at question 3 here. So question 3 here, there are 3 numbers that we have to minus. So the first step is we need to see whether the denominator is same or not. For question 3, the denominators are same for the 3 numbers here. 6, 5 over 8 minus 3 over 8 minus 2 1 over 8. So the denominators are all same. So we straight away can minus these numbers. But remember, when we do the minus, we need to minus it successfully. First you need to minus these two numbers. After you have the answer for the number, then only you minus with the third number. So you see here 6, here got no number to minus. So the 6 we can copy down here 6. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2 over 8. So we already solved this question. So the balance is minus 2 1 over 8. So when we are doing this question, class, you see the denominators are same. So we can continue do our question. So you see 6 can minus these 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. And then these 2 we can minus with the 1 here. 2 minus 1 is 1 over 8. So when you see this answer, for 1 over 8. It's already in the simplest form. So we cannot make it simplify again. So the final answer for the question is for 1 over 8. So we are going to move on to the next question. Now you see question 4 here. Okay. 5 over 6 minus 3 over 8. Okay. The first step that we have to see here is we must know the denominator is same. In this case, the denominators are different. Here got 6 and here got 8. So what the next step that we have to do? Yes, class, you see, we need to find the same denominator for the question. So we need to see the smallest common number as a denominator for this question. To find that, you need to write times 6. When you write the times 6, no need to write it fully. You just write until 5 or like that. 1 times 6 is 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, I write just 4. And then I'm going to write times 8. So now from here you need to find the common number for the denominator. So now you see times 8. 1 times 8, 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. So the common number or the common denominator that we can use here is 24. We can find the 24 in times 6 and also in times 8. So how many times we can get the 24 in times 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we can get 4 times 6 is 24. So we going to times this denominator 6 to 4. So we are going to times 4 with the denominator 6 here. And then when we do the times, we need to do for the numerator also. And then for this times 8, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, third time. The 3 times 8 is 24. So we are going to times with 3. 8 we times with 3. How about the numerator? Yes, we need to times the numerators also with 3. So after we times this, we will get a new question. Okay, so 5 times 4 is 20 over 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, minus 3 times 3 is 9 over 8 times 3 is 24. So now we already have the new question with the same denominator. So now we can solve this question. So 24 will be remain as 24. Now we are going to minus this 20 with the 9 here. So 20 minus 9. So you see 0 cannot minus 9. So need to borrow 1 from these two. 10 minus 9 is 1 and here got 1. So the answer is 11. So 11 over 24. So we cannot simplify this answer. There is no times that can be give these two numbers in one time. So 11 over 24 is the final answer.